Today I'm going to show you how to create a glowing text effect in Photoshop. First, go to File and create a new document. Click the color picker and choose the black color. Just copy these settings. When you're done, click Create. Select the horizontal type tool. Go to window and choose the character. Click the color picker and choose the white color. Just copy these settings. Close the character and click on your document and type out your text. Go to the Layer panel. Right-click on the text layer and choose the Rasterize type. Select the Move tool. And position the text in the center. Select the Gradient tool. And click to edit the gradient. Open the Basics group icon and choose the foreground to background. Double-click the left color stop slider. In the color picker, choose dark blue color. And click OK. Double-click the right color stop slider. In the color picker, choose the lighter blue color. And click OK. Make sure the linear gradient box is chosen. Hold Ctrl while clicking on the text layer thumbnail. Draw the gradient inside the text from the top left to the bottom right. Remove selection, go to Select and choose the Deselect. Press Ctrl J to make a copy of layer. Go to File and choose the Place Embedded. And place the black clouds. Hit Enter or Return on your keyboard. Change the blend mode to Color Dodge. Select the text layer copy. Go to the Filter, Blur, and choose the Gaussian Blur. Increase the radius to 81 pixels. And click OK. Select the clouds layer. Press Ctrl T to select the Free Transform tool. Drag the clouds inward like so. Hit Enter or Return when you're finished. And this is the result.